But first, let's talk about NVIDIA, the American company that started making video game semiconductor chips and then moved on to artificial intelligence. Its market value has doubled this year to more than $2.5 trillion US, basically the value of the entire Australian share market. And last night the company reported its quarterly earnings, up 462% to $15.2 billion US. That's twice as much in 3 months as Commonwealth Bank makes in a year. So how did NVIDIA do it? Well, by spending between 20 and 30% of its revenue on research and development, R&D. In Australia, on average, it's less than 1%. NVIDIA jumped 7.8% in after-hours trading, but the US market as a whole went down, and the Australian market fell a bit more because of quite chunky falls by the big miners as well as the banks. Retailers and CSL went up. Mining stocks were sold because of sizable falls by copper and nickel, both down more than 4%. Now, copper is still about 25% above where it started this year, and nobody thinks the copper boom is over. It's related to the NVIDIA boom as well. Artificial intelligence requires a lot of electricity, with analysts forecasting that data centre power consumption will surge 160% over the next 6 years because of AI. Copper is the best conductor of electricity, apart from silver, which is too expensive. So the take-up of AI, along with electrification to get away from oil and gas, is expected to result in a huge increase in demand for copper. Finally, the Aussie dollar slipped back to 66.3 US cents. And that's finance.